Hello everyone and welcome back to class. Today we're going to be focusing on improving our reading and writing skills, alright? And by doing that, we're going to be using the material from Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Especially is the sword and hat scene, okay? And we'll focus on the traits of the Hogwarts houses and practice direct and reported speech. Okay, that's the objectives for today. Are you excited? Let's go. Okay, so briefly, let me start it with a very quick actions, right? There are, as you know, there are 4 houses in Hogwarts, right? And they are Gryffindor, Slytherin, what's that? Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. You're correct. So you have 30 seconds to sort yourself into whatever houses that you feel fit. Okay, your 30 seconds starts now. Okay, you guys are all sorted into your own house? Cool, very nice. Okay, so for the next part, I will be reading a very small script from the scene, the video that we watched earlier, and please repeat after me, right? Okay, here is my questions for you. How does Harry feel before being sorted? Peter, how did he feel? Yeah, that's right. Diana, how did he feel? Yeah, you could say so. Okay, for the next question is what traits the sorting hat consider when sorting students into houses? What did you get? Alright, okay. So from that scene, what do we have? We have new vocabularies. Let me show you the new vocabularies for today. That is bravery, cunning, wisdom, and fairness. Okay, so does any of you know like the meaning of any of these words? Yeah, raise your hands if you would like to talk. Just raise your hand. Nice. Yeah, that's what bravery means. So let's move on to the Sorting Hat Speaks scene, okay? In the Sorting Hat scene, the Sorting Hat speaks directly to Harry. For example, you could be great, you know? This is a direct speech. When we report that what someone says, we use reported speech. And the Sorting Hat told Harry that he could be great, okay? So let's quickly practice changing direct speech into reported speech. Here is the one example for you. You could write a couple of direct speech examples on your notebook and try to convert it into directed speech. I'll go first. Okay, the Sorting Hat said, "You are brave," and the Sorting Hat said, "You belong to Gryffindor." So what you have to do is you have to convert it into reported speech, which are the 2 following lines. The Sorting Hat told Harry that he was brave. And the second one is the Sword and Hat told Harry that he belonged in Gryffindor. Do you get what I meant? Alright, let's go to your activity, right? Have you got them all written down? Yeah, perfect. Just put them on the table over here and then I'll check them out later. Okay. So, to wrap up for today, you learned some new words. Can you tell me what they were? What they were? Yeah, bravery. Yeah. Fairness. Can you make a sentence with two of them? Yeah, that's correct. And alright, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson and see you next week. Okay? I think I'll give you the homework later. I'll post it on ISL Collective and then you can pull down the homeworks from there. Alright, see you later.